Hi, fine white flour without any filters. Fairy tale? Well, not really. Here it is, and you can see. I bought 5 kilos of fine white flour, dumped it into a bin. All this happened within half an hour, so humidity never had any part to play in it, and sucked it up. Now, it was surprising at the reluctance to suck it up. It turned out, I found out what was the matter later on. When I got to the drop box, there was only 2 3/4 kilos of the 5 kilos there, and I was really puzzled where it went to, because there was no indication of it venting. I vent outside, and there was no indication of any venting out there. So, puzzled, I stripped the whole unit, and I found an enormous amount in the ducting. The flour had actually filled all the irregularities in the tube and made it straight through, and the same too in the Cyclone. And it was very interesting to see the shape that it had caused in the Cyclone with the aerodynamic flow. Now, neither of these would have made any difference. Well, they didn't make any difference to the capture, and they wouldn't have made any difference if you had anything else going through, like sawdust or something, because all of that would have been scoured out as it went through. But it was just very, very interesting, and I couldn't work out where it went through. So, while it might sound like a fairy tale, the fact is that is this Cyclone special? Damn right. Is it different? Damn right. Is there anything else like it? Absolutely not. So, we don't need to be paying $600 for filters. Why are they not available? So, when you're looking for one, just make sure that they're available, or build it yourself. I'm an old bugger. This is a DIY. Now, I can't afford $600, and there's no need for it in any case. But you can imagine that with a average Cyclone chocking up your filters, you know, they're 100-year-old technology. Get with the strength. So this is what it does. Fairy tale? Okay. There's an open invitation for any and all to check it out. Manufacturers haven't got anything. There is nothing on the market that will even come close. So, yeah, check it out. You can have a look at my Cyclone, but that's hidden inside. So, but any tests can be run and shown and sucked up. But there isn't anything that will suck up in it and will capture down to 0.04 anyway. So, anyway, that's just a bit further up. Still a crappy video. I'm an inventor, not a bloody video maker. Okay, thanks for listening.